Hey, Johnny Baboon here with the greatest drink of the century, God's Rain. Each three of these flavors will give you a distinct characteristic that enhances three vital areas of your life. It will make you smarter, faster, and stronger. The three flavors are Athena's Apple for intelligence,
Finally! Nick used to be the stupidest kid I know. But then he started to drink God's Rain, Athena's Apple. Now he's the smartest.
Michael used to be the smartest kid I know, but now I'm the smartest kid I know.
Hermes Very Berry for speed,
I used to be faster than Nick. But ever since he started taking God's Rain Very Berry, he turned into Usain Bolt.
We're going 100 meters in 4.5 seconds.
and lastly, Zeus's Radium for strength.
Hey man, what's up? What's up? What the hell? That's it. Nick used to be such a wimp, but ever since he's been taking this stuff, he's been kicking my ass regularly.
Yeah, ever since I've been on this stuff, I'm able to poo noobs every day.
Each of these flavors contains citric acid, sugar, salt, artificial flavorings, potassium phosphate, cocaine radium, plutonium, steroids, and Viagra. This product is not yet in stores, but if you call now, you can get each of these drinks for half the price of Gatorade or Powerade, plus a free sample of God's Rain Venus Cherry Charm. Hey, it's Johnny Baboon here. Michael, why are you
Conrad used to be... Why are you laughing?
Hello, Johnny Baboon here with the greatest drink